Welcome students. In previous video we discussed about the what problems of articles and cost, right? Now today we'll talk about what problems on ages. What problems on ages. I'm reading, see example 1. 10 years ago, father was 12 times as old as his son, and 10 years hence he will be twice as old as his son will be. Find their present ages. In these examples of ages, meaning of the words is very important. See here, this is ago. Ago means what? Before or after? Before. So we subtract from the present age. Then we get ago. Right? And 10 years hence. Hence means after or before? After. Sometimes in place of hence is written later. Hence means after. So we add in present age. Okay. So see, it's very clear now. Ago means subtract from present. Hence means add to present. So we have to assume first present age is equal to. Here father and son is there. So we will take let present ages of let present ages of father equal to x, son equal to y years. Write in short. Don't try to write very long sentence. Let present ages of, I wrote father equal to x, son equal to y. Separate. Right? Now, number 1 is ago. Yes or no? Case first. 10 years ago. 10 years ago. Ago means what? Before. Before means what? Minus. So, how many years minus? 10 years. 10 years ago, first we have to find what was father's age before 10 years. If present is x, so father equal to, see, x minus 10. And if father is 10 less, then son also 10 less. Son equal to y minus 10. Right? Very simple. Now that didn't see. 10 years ago, father was. 10 years ago, father was 12 times as old as his son. So now tell me, 10 years ago, what was son? Y minus 10. So relation between father and son is 12 times son. So father equal to, that is x minus 10 equal to 12 times as well as son, because son was also 10 years less. Now open, very simple, 10 minus, see, x minus 10 equal to 12 times. Very simple. 10 minus 10 equal to, open bracket, you got it. Now transpose, therefore x minus 12y, I am sending 10 this side, equal to minus 10 becomes plus 10. So minus 120 plus 10 minus 110. I got equation 1. Right? You understood this? Now second, what is second case? See, and up to this it was first case. And 10 years hence. 10 years hence means after 10 years. Yes or no? So we'll write 10 years hence means after. After, then we add or subtract from present, we add. See, 10 years after. So father equal to, what is that? X plus 10. If after 10 years father is x plus 10, then son also equal to y plus 10 years. Yes or no? See children, these are to be written in a way short after understanding. Our time is saved and accuracy is more. Now see, after 10 years, what was the relation formed between them? 10 years hence, he means what? Father will be twice as old as his son. So father equal to, twice means 2 times multiplied by son. So father is what? How much beta? X plus 10 equal to 2 times y plus 10. Open this now, see. 2y plus 20. So I am taking it 10 plus, see 20, 10 to 2y comes here, minus 2y, 10 comes this side equal to 10. I got second equation. Right? Now children, we are very expert in solving examples. So it's very clear. X coefficient is 1, x coefficient is 1. So I will subtract directly. I'll remove this x, I'll get value of y. See, now what to subtract? Either 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. So I am taking subtract 1 minus 2. ऐसे लिख देते हैं. 1 minus 2 means first I will write 1, then second like this. I am getting, see, 1 minus 2 I can write here directly, or I can do in side work. See, first is what 1 minus 2 means first I will write x minus 12y equal to minus 120 minus 110. Space is not there. Write clearly. See, I am writing here only. See, please. Space is less, so I am writing here only. First, x minus 12y minus this x. See, first is this. So x minus 2y equal to minus 110 minus 10. Because LHS of first minus LHS of second, RHS of first minus RHS of second. Meaning of this. Okay. Now see, opening bracket. X minus 12y minus x minus 1 plus 2y equal to minus 120. Let's see, x cancel. So minus 12y plus 2y means 10 minus 10y equal to minus 120. So minus minus plus, so y equal to 12. Yes or no? 120 upon 10, 12 years. So what is this y? Son says. Now if we get y equal to 12, we can find. Father says, so I'll take first or second. I'm taking second. Now see, x minus 2y equal to 10. I'm putting value of 12 now. X minus 2 into 12 equal to 10. So x equal to 12 to 24. Minus 24 come, this says plus 24. So 10 plus 24. So x equal to 34 years. So father is 34 years and son is 12 years. It's very, very simple, children. Important is writing sentences, understanding these sentences separately, cases, after, before, after, okay, and then making sentences, right? Very simple. Present, first assume present, then ago, then what is fathers and sons, then see their relation, how are they related, okay, times, okay, again after, so after father is plus, son is plus, equal plus, so then relation equal, okay, right? Now one example I have written here, say I am reading, you will try yourself, right children? 5 years hence, father's age will be 3 times the age of his son. Hence means after 5 years. 5 years ago, father was 7 times as old as his son. First, what will you assume? Present age of father x, son y. Then number 1, hence means 5 years hence, 5 years after, father equal to x plus 5, son equal to y plus 5. Now the relation, father's age equal to 3 times son. So father is what? 5x plus 5 equal to 3 times y plus 5. You'll get it, right? Then second case, you'll write 5 years ago. Now before 5 years, father equal to x minus 5, son equal to y minus 5. Then relation, father was 7 times, father was. So father means x minus 5 equal to 7 times means 7 multiplied by as old as his son. So y multiplied y minus 5. Open second equation. Solve like this, right? So you'll try this. Now in second video,